Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning as one. Today is Monday's upload. I'm actually making this on a Sunday at 4:30 p.m. Canada Eastern Time. And today we're going to make a sweet Philippine spaghetti. I have a lot of dear friends in the Philippines. They are very kind, very friendly, always look out for people, and always look out for me. So I want to make this recipe in dedication to them and to the Philippines. So I love you. You are great, and you shine with faith. So I really appreciate the friendships, and I want to make this recipe and learn. I've never made this before. Plus I want to try to make international meals. So today is the Philippine sweet spaghetti. We're going to need 10 ingredients. We need the hot dogs that are already pre-cooked. We need a pound of pork. That's a pound of pork. We're going to need 1 package of spaghetti, minced garlic, carrots, onions, mozzarella, spaghetti sauce, the secret, evaporated milk, and we have tomato paste. So you definitely need 10 things. You're also going to need salt. All right, so I have water in this pot. I'm going to add salt to it, and I'm going to add this package of spaghetti. It's going to take like 8 to 10 minutes to cook, and once that gets going, we could start doing the other ingredients here. In the description on the YouTube channel, I'll put all the ingredients you need, because it's 10 ingredients and there's a couple steps. Plus I'm slow at this because I've never cooked this before. So let's get this pasta going. Alright, USA and Philippines, I'm just waiting for this water to boil. You see it's almost there, and we'll get started. Alright, so our water is boiling. We're going to take the spaghetti, and we're going to throw the whole contents in there. So just keep it like that, and just keep gently pushing it down. So while that's going, it's going to take like 8 or 10 minutes to take your olive oil and add like 3 tablespoons to there. Make sure you coat your pot. So I'm going to be a little bit slow with this recipe because I've never cooked it before. So just get that going. And just cook your spaghetti. Just keep pushing it down, and like I said, it'll take like 8 or 10 minutes to do that. Alright, so our pasta is cooking. You can see it boiling and the steam coming off. The pasta fell back down into the pan. We got the 3 tablespoons of olive oil in there. Now just put this on low and take a 1/3 cup of onions. Throw the onions in there, and then take your garlic. And while this pasta is cooking, just start cooking the onion and garlic on low. But you don't want to overcook it or burn it. You just want to lightly brown it or just warm it, because we're going to be adding like 6 more ingredients at least. Alright, so as your pasta continues to cook, sorry if I'm moving this camera too fast, just start turning that garlic and onion around. Make sure you keep it on low. If you have to, bring it to medium, but like I said, you definitely don't want to overcook this, because you're going to be adding the pork and the hot dogs to this. Alright, so the pasta's almost there, only a couple more minutes. Now our onions and garlic is ready. We're going to take this pound of ground pork, and we're going to add that to the pan. Alright, YouTube, USA, and Philippines, I got the ground pork in there with the garlic and onion, and I'm going to just cook that a bit till the pork browns, and my pasta keeps going. It's almost there. After the pasta's done, I'm going to drain the water. I could leave it in the pot if I'm not done with the other stuff, and it can just sit in there, but you have to drain the water. When you add the pasta to the pan, you don't want the extra liquid, because the pan's going to have enough liquid. So be back. Alright, so the pork continues to cook, and like I said, the pasta's almost done. I don't want to sound like a broken record, but that pasta takes 8 to 10 minutes. That's the longest part of the recipe. Alright, so the pork is continuing to cook. It's almost brown. So you're going to want to take a 1/3 cup of carrots. Like I said, all the ingredients will be in the description. So put your carrots in there and just keep on stirring. And the pasta is almost done. I'm going to remove it and drain it and just keep it in that pot with a little bit of water. But the main thing now is just keep going with this pan. Alright, so my pasta is done. I'm going to drain that hot water and leave the pasta in there with a little bit of water to keep it moist. And now I'm going to concentrate on my pan. You can see the pork in there with the carrots, the onion and garlic is mixed in. So the pork is browning, and we're only a couple more steps away. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, our pasta is cooked. You can see it's nice and soft and tender. I left a little bit of water in there to keep it moist. When we're done cooking everything in the pan, we'll add this, but we don't want the moisture. So right now I have this on low. I ended up cutting up 4 hot dogs. You're going to throw this in. You don't have to really worry about them cooking because they're already pre-cooked. So just keep stirring this. The pork is already cooked, and we'll go to the next couple steps. So thanks for being with me on this channel. I appreciate and love you. I love the USA, Canada, and the Philippines. Thanks for supporting me. I'm going to cook other international meals soon. If you guys want, comment in the section and ask what you like to see cooked. I can try to cook it. I know mostly US and Canada food and Polish food, but I'm not really sure about other food, but I can give it a try. Alright, so like I said, the pasta is staying warm, and we're just warming the hot dogs with the carrots, pork, onion, and garlic. Alright, so the next step is to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I usually buy it in the squeeze thing, so you can just cap it off when you're done and it doesn't go to waste. So you're going to want to put like 2 tablespoons in there. If you put a little bit more in, it doesn't matter. So then, like, while that's in there, just start mixing it up. I have this pan on low, and we'll go to the next 2 steps, and we're almost there. Alright, so we're like 2 steps away. Now we're going to add the Philippine spaghetti sauce in there. You want 1.5 cups. So put 1 cup in there, and then put 1/2 cup in there. The thing you might want to do now is move this down to low. If you have a cover, that's good. But just start blending it all together. If you have to, turn it up. Alright, so you can see that. So we're just 1 more step away. Alright, so we added everything to that pan like we did. I added some water. Now we're going to add the other secret ingredient. The one with the hot dogs. Now there's 1/2 cup of condensed milk. Now that's going to change the color of this and make it sweet. So now you can see that the color is changing. And now we're almost done. We just have to let this warm a little bit, and then we'll add the pasta and we'll add the cheese on top. Alright, so we're there. Now you're going to just want to do is put your pasta in there. Like I said, don't add the liquid. You just want a pure pasta. And the evaporated milk, a lot of people ask about it. Some schools in the Philippines use evaporated milk when they make the pasta like this for the kids at school. So it's a good tip, and I learned this from the Philippine people. So now just mix this together, and we're almost done. We just have to top it with a cup of either cheddar or mozzarella cheese. Alright, so that's your Philippine sweet spaghetti. You can see the pasta, the milk, the sauce, and everything. So we're just going to plate this. The hot dogs are nice in there. Kids love this recipe. So let's plate it and we're done. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, I apologize. I was so anxious to get this recipe done, I forgot to add the cheese. That's all I'm live recording, but honestly, I love it the way it is. I'm going to just eat it like that. But if you want it, before you plated it, you could have mixed in 1 cup of mozzarella or cheddar and add that to it. Or right now you could add it on the top. But there's your sweet Filipino spaghetti. Thanks for visiting my channel. Please hit subscribe, hit the bell for updates a week. I'm going to cook more international foods. If you want, leave a comment and I'll try to cook something else in the future. But thanks for visiting my channel and be safe. Dansoy, amateur cook out. Peace.